Hey guys, it's Margaret with Sassy Southern Shopper Mom. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today's video is a super clean video. I am going to be using some super clean products in Degreaser to clean my front car mat. It is just awful and I've got to get it clean. One side is like way clean and the other side is kind of dirty. So I am going to be showing that to y'all and we are going to be cleaning it, and hopefully this will give you some car cleaning motivation as well. This video is also sponsored by Super Clean today because they are sponsoring my giveaway. They are going to be helping me give away. They provided two products, which I will tell you about in a little bit. They provided two products for me to give away in this video to a lucky viewer here on my channel. I will go over how to enter in that giveaway here in a little bit, but let's go ahead and get started and let me show you these floor mats and get cleaning, and then I'll kind of talk about the giveaway and how you can enter to win some Super Clean. Okay y'all, look how dirty. This is like the driver's side, so anything that spills or gets dropped from, I spill my water bottles all the time, so just dirt and grime and everything sticks to it. So it's just how gross and nasty this side is. And this side, not so much. It looks like it's almost brand new. A few little spots, but, and a spot right there. We're gonna see how Super Clean cleans this. Hopefully this is gonna look amazing. So let's get started and get to cleaning.
So after my first spray with the Super Clean cleaner, I decided to add a little water so that it would suds up more. I'm just using my daughter's little raining or watering picture. Raining, so funny. So I'm just using my daughter's watering picture. Also, Super Clean dissolves grease and helps to remove grime, oil, wax, dirt, and tar. And this is a full strength cleaner, so technically you should dilute it if you are using it for like everyday messes around the house. Also, Super Clean is biodegradable and phosphate free and doesn't have a strong chemical scent. You can also find it at places like Lowe's and Walmart, but I will put the store locator link in my description box so you can find it near you as well.
But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation, just a little while now? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you?
I am shocked with how dirty this mat is, guys. Like, everything that is coming up. Oh, those first paper towels, I was like, I have to add more water, spray it, and scrub it again. Oh my gosh, y'all, so much was stuck in here and this stuff is just getting it up. Cannot wait to show y'all what it looks like when it gets done. But let's get back to cleaning.
Stay a bit longer. Yeah, I just need you to. I just need you to. Stay a bit longer.
So I wiped up the area I was cleaning with paper towels, and it looks like I did not get that on film, unfortunately, but I decided instead of wasting a bunch of paper towels that I would just bring my floor mat to the water hose and rinse and scrub it over here. So the driver's side floor mat part is the part that's kind of furthest away, and I've kind of really focused a lot of my scrubbing on that side because it is the dirtiest, but I can just really see like how much is coming up and out of this mat, and I am blown away, guys. But being blown away with all of this, let's talk about this giveaway that Super Clean has been so generous to sponsor. They are giving away to one winner with a US mailing address a bottle of original Super Clean and 1 can of the Super Clean aerosol. I did use Super Clean aerosol when I cleaned my grill, and I will put it up in my iCards if you want to see that video. You can check it out there. But in order to enter the giveaway, I'm going to have a link down below for you to follow. But what you can already go ahead and do while you're watching this video is you can subscribe and like this video and put a little comment down below after you go through that link that you had entered through the link. So comment and let me know that you entered through the link that I provided down below. The link also gives you the ability to get some extra entries as well for this giveaway. So it's not just like do one thing and you're entered, you are entered. But if you want higher chances of winning, you can follow all the other ways to enter. So I am doing this giveaway from June 16th to June 20th. So it is going to close out, I think, around 11 o'clock Eastern time on June 20th. So you want to make sure that you hurry up and enter. I also will announce the winner on my channel on my cleaning video on June 23rd. So make sure that you come back and check that video out to find out who wins.
Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action. Distract him right now. He's fine. Got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent? He's busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Just make it go away. Can't take another day. Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so giving something worse to pass the time. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Here is the after of my car floor mat. I'm impressed with how clean it got. There definitely is some areas that still look a little dirty, but that's probably because I really don't clean this floor mat probably as often as I should, so they are really stuck on stains, but I am very pleased with how it turned out.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this super clean video. I hope that it brought you some cleaning motivation. Don't forget to check out the links down below so that you can enter this giveaway and get some super clean products as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Wanting you to sleep with us, it's all or nothing.